Hello, welcome. My name is Philip Webster. I'm from the Switch Your Thinking program, and I'm here with Gerrard from Insulpaint. Gerrard has very kindly offered to talk to us a little bit about Insulpaint, which is one of the products we're going to be offering discounts on for our Rewards for Residents and Rewards for Business program. Gerrard, thank you very much for joining us.
You're welcome.
Gerrard, could you tell me a little bit about Insulpaint? It's a WA-based company, isn't it?
Yes, it's WA-based paint. It's made here and we export it all around the world. The paint is different to other paints. We use plant fibres in the paint, so these are natural ingredients which don't absorb heat, so they reduce the amount of heat that's being absorbed into the surface by reradiating the heat back out again.
Yeah.
As you can see here today, this house is 41 outside and inside is a pleasant 28, 29 degrees.
That's
so
quite noticeable.
That's a huge difference, and there's no air conditioning needed, you know. But look, some people need air and they want to have air on as well. They want it a bit cooler than that, just depends on the person. So you have to use your air conditioning very little if you do use it at all.
So how did you come across with the idea? Where did the concept come from?
Well, my background was insulation. I worked in the building industry in insulation, and I come across this product. I didn't believe it at first, and then I used it on a couple of projects, and I found it was better than insulation, so it works a lot better.
So it's a plant-based paint. So how much can you apply per square metre? How much paint do you need?
We normally put it on at half a litre per square metre. It's a high build coating that's designed to build a layer of plant fibres in the paint. But look, we put it on buses, we put it on caravans, we put it on walls, we put it on asbestos, metal, tin. It doesn't matter what the surface is. So
the product can be applied for both residential and commercial buildings, is that correct?
Yeah, we do a lot of factories where the workers are too hot inside. And as soon as they put the paint on, they dropped the temperature inside the shed by about 10-12 degrees, and everything was comfortable. Everyone went back to working normally again, so it improved productivity.
So is this something that you need a professional to apply, or can you do it yourself?
No, you can do it yourself. Mari here, she's not a youngster. She's heading towards the 80s, and she's painting the wall here for herself. So she wanted to save a little bit of money. Obviously, we did the roof for her. So roofs are a bit harder to do. Most people get us to do that,
but it's good for a DIY.
Do it yourself, no problems. Well, we supply the paint and tell you how to put it on and give you all the correct information.
So I've guarantee. How long does the product tend to last?
We give a 10-year guarantee on our paint and the performance of the product, so it doesn't deteriorate with any less heat absorption. It performs like day one at year 10. But we've had it on buildings for 18, 20 years and it's still working. So a lot of people just get a top up after 15 or 18 years or 19 years or whatever, but most of the time it lasts a long time because it's so thick. It's half a litre per square metre.
So if we're going for an average household size, what would be a rough cost?
The average cost is about the same as painting a normal roof. So when we don't overcharge people. The average cost is around $25 to $30 a square metre, depending on what needs doing. Obviously, some houses may need repairs or whatever, so that's not the cost of the paint, that's just work that they need to be doing.
The initial work that needs to be done first. Well, that would be the same with any product.
Yeah, and big commercial jobs, well, we do a lot of big factories and schools and stuff like that. It's quite economical. The bigger you go, we can reduce our costing down a little bit.
Yeah, because you're buying in bulk.
Yeah, well, there's no middleman. We make the paint, so we sell it direct to you guys, or we apply it. So that's why we can keep our costs down.
Okay, excellent. All right, thank you very much for joining me today.
You're welcome.
So if you're interested in contacting Gerrard, please have a look at the Rewards for Residents and Rewards for Business web pages on switchyourthinking.com. And you can also contact Switch Your Thinking through mail@switchyourthinking.com, and we can point you in the right direction, and you can speak to Gerrard about this product and whether or not it's right for you.